In this question, you have to point out the option that includes the correct statement regarding phylum Chordata. Statement A, in Urochordata, the notochord extends from head to tail and is present throughout their life. Now this is false. In Urochordata, which is also known as Tunicata, the notochord is present only in the larval stage, and that too restricted in the tail region, and it disappears in the adult form. Statement B, in Vertebrata, the notochord is present during the embryonic period only. This is true. In Vertebrata, the notochord is present during the embryonic stage, but it is replaced by the vertebral column in adults. Statement C, central nervous system is dorsal and hollow. This is also true. In all chordates, the CNS, that is the central nervous system, is located dorsally and is hollow, forming the neural tube during development. Statement D, chordata is divided into three subphyla: hemichordata, tunicata, and cephalochordata. This is false. Hemichordata is no more included as a subphylum of chordata, and it is being given the status of a separate phylum. And chordata is divided into three subphyla: Urochordata, that is tunicata, cephalochordata, and vertebrata. So the correct statements are statement B and C. Hence, the correct answer is option